Today we are going to learn how to use SUMIF function in Excel sheet. Basically, SUMIF function is a function, or you may call it a tool, which is used to do calculation based on some kind of condition. This is data with items on the first column and then their price, units sold, and revenue. Now I want to check that any product whose price is 0.5 or more than 5, give me the some value of or some value of revenues of all those products whose price is 0.5 or more than 0.5. So how to write this statement in the form of formula so that we can get our desired results. So first of all, I would write equal sign, then write SUMIF, and here I have to put three parameters. One is range, the range in which I want to check the price or the value which is 0.5 or more than 0.5, and then is the criteria. I mean, what is the condition? The condition is the price is equal to or more than 0.5, and then the range or some range, or you can say that what are the values which we want to add or sum if the condition is true. SUMIF function, then the range where I want to check the condition, then comma, and then here is the criteria which you have to write in double brackets, I mean double commas. The value or the condition is that the price is more than or equal to 0.5, and then double commas and comma, and what is the range whose value I want to add if the condition is true, and then press enter button. So here you can see that any value, let me check it manually, this. So if I add the values of these, let me check if these equals to 96 or not. So you can see that we have the sum value as 96. So my friends, this is how we do SUMIF calculations. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel for more such interesting and beautiful video tutorials.